J6706.01 James Hardy, New Zealand, NFPA 285 on the James Hardy RAB board wall assembly. This is test number 1, July 17, 2019.